ako. Yun na yata yung masasabi kong milestone sa buhay ko nung naging cover ako ng Mega na nandito na ba ako? Nakarating na ba ako sa dapat kong puntahan? Kasi naging cover na ako eh. Eh, nung time na yun, hindi naman nag-cover ng celebrity ang Mega. So it was a transition, it was a milestone, it was... Oh, di ba? Sinong hindi magsasabing hindi ako Mega baby?
Judy Ann Santos. She is the unexpected Mega woman at that time. She is the one who redefined beauty in her generation. Her transformation with Mega paved the way for the democratization of beauty in the industry.
I guess when you start early in show business and lumaki ka ng, reading magazines and browsing through the pages, there's always a dream inside of you that you wanted to see yourself in a magazine. But then again, back then, alam kong suntok sa buwan na maging cover ako sa isang magazine kasi, alam mo, Mara Clara, Ula ang Batang Gubat, and nung time na yun, ang mga covers sa magazines, puro models. So if you'd ask me kung palagi ko siya naiisip, oo naman, hindi ko itatanggi na nangangarap ako na actually dumating ako sa puntong ipinatong ko yung mukha ko sa cover ng magazine. At least naging cover ako ng magazine. When they called me up, andun yung reaction na, ako? Bakit? Kasi walang nag-take ng risk to put me on a cover at that time. And it was Raymond's idea. And pumayag ang Mega, ang team ng Mega. So parang, nung nandun ako, surreal ako dun sa moment na nangyayari na ba talaga to? O nananaginip pa rin ako? Kasi all of a sudden, pinipicturean ako ng hindi ko kailangan ngumiti, umaaura-aura ka lang. And ang ganda, feeling ko, ang ganda-ganda ko. Tapos, nung nakita ko yung sarili ko, ay, may ganda pala ako. Siyempre, happy ako. Hindi ko ma-explain yung feeling na through the years, I could see myself growing up on the covers of Mega magazine. You see the transition, you see me growing up right before your very eyes. Hindi ko maintindihan kung paano naiisip ng Mega na ma-capture yon. Kasi parang every 5 years, every 3 years, nasa cover ako. And pag pinagko-compare ko sila, iba-iba talaga yung itsura ko. Iba yung weight ko, iba yung shape ng mukha ko. Pero alam kong ako siya. Ano ba ang icon? What does it really take for you to be an icon? Kasi I never really considered myself na iconic. But then again, looking back, parang it's a pat on your back. Saying to yourself that, yeah, maybe you really did a good job on this line of work na pinasok ko. Kasi almost 30 years in the business, I'm still happy. I still love what I do. And I've come to a position that I decide already. I solely decide on what I want to do. I think I've come to a point na I'm in my happy place and I can do what I want. Magulo na masaya na hindi ko naiintindihan. Pero masaya ako kasi nandito ako, nakarating ako dito. Hi, this is Judy Ann Santos Agoncillo. This has been my story. What's your Mega Story?